edge. Let me test it. Does something happen if I say leave? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Welcome back.
I think I'm someone else now, but...
Yeah, you've moved into the meat market area, apparently.
Okay. Man. Okay, let's do... tastier meats.
Mountain.
I think I want to do tastier meats because that's just like an upgrade that I don't have to do anything.
That's fair.
Ghost. Yeah. A ghost toddler.
Not a
Man.
great situation to be in.
A bound, vengeful toddler ghost. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's something on like the Steam forum or something for this. I have no idea of this happening. Okay, we're gonna do...
The Grandpa. I have a... Oh wait. Grandpa... Crap. I forgot Grandpa's a normal dragon. I can just use basic walls. Yes, I got Grandpa.
Woo!
Time to burn the town down if there's a bullying incident, I guess.
Okay, there we go. Oh my god, more people. Surrounded by a lot of trees. Well, shit. Wait, are you just a normal family? You don't care. Or do you want...
I don't think they have anything to them.
I don't think they had a trait.
Yeah.
Oh wait, they did. But these people, they had light. We can give you light anywhere. What about you? Damn it. You? No, you don't want anything. You move there. Tree family. You move here, where you're surrounded by pine trees.
Yeah, Treeple.
Treeple.
Clearly, they're just Ents in disguise.
Ba, 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 ba. Park decorations, I guess. Edge. Oh, okay, so now I can make like a fence, but plant. Let's do this.
That does seem a little more on brand.
Yeah. And then... Oh my god. Yes! There. Where's our, like, park decorations?
Picnic table.
Picnic table. Can be placed in water. What?
Lily pads.
Spooky.
Flowering lily pads. Ooh.
Huh? Okay, I guess they like float.